So let's talk about identifying and finding fake, actually fake Lego products. So what you have to do first is type in Lego and press on search, and we're going to be getting a bunch of fake Lego sets over here. The first thing that I want you to actually do is to actually be able to identify the fake and the real Lego sets. And definitely there's going to be a huge mix of them over here, and it is hard to know what is authentic and what is not. A few things about being able to figure out which is authentic, which is not. There is things that are differentiating between a fake and an actual Lego set. So here is an actual Lego set right now, and this one is definitely a real one. How can I tell this is real? It says Lego on the actual box here. As we look more, you can see the guy is based in United States. He has a near perfect feedback. And as we go down, it says right here more information about this listing. Sometimes the listing will actually say it is 100% authentic to it. At other times it doesn't say, but this specific one is actually authentic, special edition set. And here is the back of it as well. So having the actual box or having the actual bag is definitely showing you that the item is actually real. Now, as we keep on looking through this, there could be some fake sets here mixed in within some actual sets. But sometimes you won't be able to tell the difference between the two. So as far as I can see, so far all the top listings right now have been authentic actual Lego listings. Now I'm going to be trying to identify some fake Lego listings, and all of those have the actual decoys to them, actual Lego box and things like that. So there was a lot less fake Legos than there used to be. There used to be so much more of them over here. Now if I type in Lego minifigures, this is what usually the fake ones usually come up from, is from the minifigure series. And as we keep on looking, we find something like this. This is going for $5.78. It says best pricing, 100% genuine and fast shipping. Genuine means it is real. On the other hand, the fake Lego minifigures are going to be mixed in with the real ones, all combined and together. So here is something interesting right there, and I just found here. And this gives you 16 Lego minifigures all combined for a price of only $24. Now this is a little suspicious here, because previously as we looked through, we were looking for something that's real and fake, but this looks to be like a whole lot of fake Lego sets. And the pictures don't look like Lego, because Lego doesn't have cartoons that look like this too. Interestingly enough, he put Lego all the way at the last of the description, as if to say it's not the real deal. And here is a bunch of them, just a bunch of fake Lego minifigures now that are showing as fake listings. So all of those are actually fake decoys of the real deal. Now, how could we tell this is the fake thing? This says right here that it is new, 16 pieces. It says a little bit of Lego, and there is small lighting in here. And as you keep on looking all the way in the bottom, safety standards, certification, made in China. Here is the clue here, made in China, in a smallest text that possibly can be written. But those are illegal for this guy to actually sell, and there is more of them all over the place. And you can see how many, all of those are fake, inauthentic, unreal sets that shouldn't be sold whatsoever here. Now, if he is already selling one fake listing, that means he's selling a bunch more. So we're going to be looking at other items that he is selling as well here. And here is fake dino sets that he is selling. He's selling a bunch of them for a very low price. This is the big clue here. If you get a lot of minifigures at a very low price, this is definitely not authentic and not real. Here is more of them right here as well. Those are all fake Lego sets that this guy is selling. In fact, every single one of his listing is exactly that. Fake, inauthentic, not real, illegitimate Lego sets. And as we go into one of those, you can see he sold 97 of those. And if you keep on looking, he says his location is United States. Now he's doing something super illegal because you can't actually sell fake Lego sets in United States. So he's already disobeying the rules here. And if you keep on looking, those look to be like real. He's actually using authentic real images from a Lego listing, and here is the actual item itself here. And if you look at it, you might say, oh wow, this is a good deal. It looks like you're getting all those pieces and everything for only 22 bucks. But real Legos, you'll be actually buying 2 to 3 of those for this price. You're not going to be getting so many of those different pieces. Same exact deal here as well. It also says made in China. Now, can he get away with this? Well, if you look at his listing and you look at his listing profile, you will see those 10 reviews that have been negative. And here it says exactly what we've been looking for. Legos should not be listed in the description. They're not Legos. Seller is fraudulent. Minifigures are not Legos. They're made in China. Those are not Legos. They were knockoff. And so on. I would assume this specific seller is eventually going to get banned from eBay because he is disobeying the rules. He is selling an authentic fake copy, and he's actually based in China. You can see it right here. So he's saying they're based in the United States, the actual items, but in reality, this guy is from China and he's selling them in America. So if you are going to be buying something from a guy like this and you report him, you end up keeping the set all for free. And here's another one doing exactly that. So this guy is also selling fake Lego sets over here. The price is super cheap. It's only $3 per piece. And it's coming free shipping from China. So definitely whoever is buying it, he is actually drop shipping this product from China directly to United States. So he is making cents on the dollar on those listings, and he's making by selling a quantity of them, and because shipping from China to United States probably cost a few cents. So although he has only 108 feedbacks, he's probably having a lot more sales than that. This is just shows how many feedbacks somebody actually left him. And here is the description for his actual item. Shipping is free, and nowhere in this listing does it even say this is a Lego set. And here, if you keep on looking, you will see the following disclaimer. The listing contains a custom non-Lego product. This is not a custom, and this is not a Lego product. And Lego doesn't allow you to sell something like this in the United States anymore. Here is another product just like it too. Another full set, and it says fits with Lego. Definitely not Lego, fits. And fits actually stands for it might be compatible with Lego, but it's not the real deal. If you look at his feedback, again, you press on the bad one, you will see what it says about. This specific one doesn't say anything about the Legos, so I guess he didn't sell a bunch of them, or people who bought it didn't really realize that they were buying a fake copy. And if you keep on looking over here, it says made in China, US seller, and no retail box and no instruction. This is definitely a biggie here. If you see no retail box, no instruction, it definitely tells you this is not the Lego set. And he doesn't advertise it as a Lego set. Here is another one right here. They're using keyword spam right there where it says Lego. Well, the item is not even Lego. 15 bucks for 8 dinosaurs, which is a good deal if it was the real deal, but it's not. Unbranded, custom made, and nowhere here does it even say that this is a fake Lego set here at all. If you keep on looking, I don't see anything that even specifies this is not a Lego set. So this was a clickbait right there for this listing, another violation of eBay rules. And as we keep on looking, we have more and more products here people are selling. And specifically look at this. this is actually a very nice set that you could actually get. And now we have an actual minifigure series. And those cost about 50 to 60 bucks, brand new, authentic. This is actually a huge set of them that is not an actual Lego set. Yet they look and they have the actual Lego sets and pictures that is included, photos. And a bunch of people who've been suckered into buying this don't even know they're buying not the real deal. So if you keep on looking, it says right there, unbranded, custom made. This is not custom, and this is made in China, fake Lego sets that are illegal for you to sell in the United States. As you keep on looking, pressing on his feedback, it's the same exact dude doing the same exact offense. So this guy is actually the king of them, violating almost every eBay rule and keep on selling fake Lego copies. So while they're getting all those fake copies, well, simply right here, you press on and type in Lego Dino, and you're going to be seeing some of those Lego Dinos that he's selling himself here. Almost every single thing that you're going to be seeing that coming up under Lego Dino is going to be 100% fake copy of Lego sets. And in China, because there is no trademark for those items, you can actually sell those kind of products. Some of them could pass by as not Lego sets and will be totally okay with that, as long as the product is not something that Lego actually carries. So if the dino itself is something that doesn't even look like a Lego dino, doesn't use the same mold, but if the item itself going and selling exactly and is a copy of something that Lego is selling, it is too similar. So Lego, Star Wars, something exactly like this is 100% a no-go, and it cannot be actually sold at all. Specifically, and even more violation, something like this is definitely not an item that you can sell, even if it is almost an exact replica of the real deal. It actually is not a real Lego set. And even if it was a real Lego set, by not being an authentic set, an authorized copy, you can't potentially sell it because Lego won the suit against this company, and they no longer allow anything to be sold under the Lego brand in the United States. So the big deal here is the following. Lego actually won the suit against the fake Lego brand. And after they won the suit, not only they instructed this company to pay money to Lego, they actually are no longer allowed to sell fake Lego copies in United States. Which actually means that anybody who is selling fake Lego copies in the United States could potentially get sued by Lego. So any of those sellers who are going and doing against the rules and selling a fake Lego copy are potentially asking for big trouble. You could get kicked out of eBay. You could get sued by Lego.com. And you can get in a whole lot of legal trouble by selling fake Lego copies. So this comes with a small warning for any of you who is interested in doing something like this. Do not do it. It is illegal, and you could potentially lose your eBay account doing exactly that.